In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Notion. We'll keep it simple and straightforward, taking you through each step to ensure you have everything set up just the way you like it. First, let's head over to your Notion workspace. This is where all your wikis, documents, and projects are stored. If you're not already logged in, simply click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your Notion home. This should be familiar territory if you've used Notion before. It's the hub of all your activities and content. Once you're in your Notion home, find the page you'd like to modify. This could be any page where you want to change the background color. So, take your time and select the page you want to work on. When you've chosen your page, click on it to open. Now comes a slightly less obvious but crucial step. Look for the little 6-dot icon. It's also known as the block handle. This handle allows you to alter properties such as color, so go ahead and click on it. This action will provide a menu of options. Focus on the one labeled Color and select it. With the Color menu now open, you will see several options. We're specifically interested in the background color option. Click on it and you'll be shown a variety of colors to choose from. Now, here's where you can personalize your page. Whether you prefer a subtle hue or something vibrant, pick the color that best suits your style or the theme of the page. This choice will apply as the background color for that particular section of your page. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the background color in Notion. It's a straightforward process, but can significantly impact how your pages look and feel, creating a more engaging and personalized experience. Remember, you can always alter these settings at any time, so feel free to experiment with different colors until you find the perfect one. Changing the background color is a small tweak that can enhance your workflow by making your environment more visually appealing. By color-coding different sections, you might even find it easier to organize and prioritize your tasks or information. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helped you in making your Notion workspace uniquely yours. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools. Happy customizing!